In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through QuickBooks effectively to manage customer transactions with ease. So let's dive right in and make this process as simple and straightforward as possible. The first thing you want to do is open up QuickBooks in your web browser. QuickBooks is a comprehensive accounting software primarily used by small and medium-sized businesses to manage their finances. It contains a range of features, from tracking income and expenses to invoicing customers and preparing financial reports. Once you've landed on the QuickBooks homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. This will help you navigate more efficiently as you proceed through the steps. Now let's move to the Customer Hub. This is the central point where all your customer interactions are recorded. You're going to want to find the Customers tab and give that a click. This action takes you to a list where you can see all the customers associated with your account. It's an excellent resource for managing customer profiles, viewing transaction histories, and ensuring everything runs smoothly in your business dealings. Once you're in the Customer Hub, look over the list of transactions. Find a particular transaction you want more information about or decide to take any actions with. One common task is voiding transactions that may have been entered in error, or perhaps a customer cancellation requires it. So, for this example, let's walk through how to void a transaction. Locate the specific transaction, and you'll notice a drop-down menu next to the Print button under the Action section. Click on that drop-down menu. Here, you'll see a variety of actions you can take. Among them is Void. Choosing the Void option effectively cancels the transaction while keeping a record of it. This is useful if you ever need to refer back to it for auditing or reconciliation purposes. Once you click Void, QuickBooks will handle the rest, ensuring that your records remain accurate and up to date. You're all set. It's that easy, and you're now done with the process. Remember, managing customer transactions effectively is crucial for keeping the financial part of your business accurate. QuickBooks is a great tool for this, simplifying what can seem like a complex job into a few easy steps. Regularly check your customer transactions and void any that are incorrect to maintain clean and precise records. So there you have it, managing customer transactions with QuickBooks in a matter of clicks. Thanks for following along, and be sure to check out other tutorials for more QuickBooks tips and tricks. Until next time, happy bookkeeping.